Is failure the first step to success? Dear friends, today let us reflect on a powerful question. Is failure the first step to success? The answer is simple. Yes, absolutely yes. Because only those who try, only those who take action face failure. Those who do nothing never fail. But remember, failure is not meant to stop us, it is meant to shape us. It teaches us what not to do and prepares us for what we can become. Think about it. When we first learned to walk as children, how many times did we fall? How many times did we slip, cry, and try again? But we never said, I cannot walk. We kept going, and that is why we walk today. Life works the exact same way. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed nearly 1,000 times while trying to invent the electric light bulb. Someone once asked him, don't you feel discouraged after failing 1,000 times? Edison smiled and said, I did not fail. I simply discovered 1,000 ways that do not work. That attitude, that mindset is what leads to success in our own lives, whether it is exams, job challenges, business setbacks, or personal struggles. Failure is unavoidable, but failure is not final. What matters is how we rise again. Remember this powerful truth: failure is not a full stop, it is not a comma. Your life sentence is not over yet. There is more to write, more to become, more to achieve. So, my friends, do not fear failure. Do not run away from it. Face it, learn from it, and walk forward with encourage. Because failure is not the opposite of success. It is beginning of success. Thank you.